Hi guys, if you're looking for a way to send Solana to your Solflare wallet, I'd recommend using Phantom Wallet to do so. Here we are inside our Solflare wallet. You can see that Solana is already available in the Assets section. But if you don't see it, you can just go to Add New Asset at the bottom here and type in Solana. So what we want to do here is click on the Solana token. Now you can close this pop-up. So now here on the coin, you want to click on receive and it will bring up a QR code. We want to head over to the Phantom Wallet app now. So on the home screen of the Phantom Wallet app, we want to click on send. Then we want to click on Solana. Now on this screen, it will ask for a username or address, but we want to click on the square icon just next to that. This will give us a QR code scanner, and you can scan that Solflare Wallet QR code. It will then bring up this screen here, and you can just hit next. On this screen, you will type in the amount of Solana you want to send and simply hit next. The funds should almost immediately transfer into your Solflare wallet. Do consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel, and thank you so much for watching.